All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is the 27th of March. Happy Friday. And welcome into the Trade Lab brought to you by the TradingRoom.com. I'm going to give you guys a little update on how we did today in the Trade Lab. We're actually still going. Truth be told, we're very early. You can see that we're only 18 minutes in. And profit target was achieved today in 12 minutes on 3 markets. I'm actually going to talk about all 3 of these trades right now. This is one of them. This is the NASDAQ. We had a short. We had the S&P that was trying to stretch into the neutral trade zone. We had a mixed sentiment, and then all 3 of the stock indices started to slide into the bear zone. And the NASDAQ was the first one to fall. So as it was falling down, it closed right at the beginning of the bear zone. If you don't know what the bear zone is, it's because you don't have the levels. Let me help you. There's your levels. There's your zones. Our proprietary levels created by Joe Rios, RiosQuant Technology. Help us identify where bull zones, bear zones are. We have 3 of them for each side. We have critical levels. We have supports, resistance. There they are. So now that you got that, this is a bear level. We closed right below a Bollinger Band that I use for a methodology called Turbo Scalp. And all I need to do is place a sell stop 3 ticks below the next bar. That got hit. And coincidentally, that's the low of the day, that white line. That got hit. In a matter of seconds, it started to fall. And the reason why I exited so quickly is because I had 2 other trades going on at the same time. One of them being this guy over here. This is gold. Gold was selling. I want you guys to notice that this isn't a bear zone too. This is another trend following trade. And I want you to notice how the bands were tight. This is when the volatility was squeezing and getting smaller. And then all of a sudden, look at the mouth opening up on both sides. And that's when I got hit because we had a qualifying condition when we closed below the lower band. 3 ticks lower, there's my fill. And again, in a matter of a minute and a half, this trade got filled. I also want you guys to take note of something else that was on this in this market. See that green dot down there? That's an OBOS. That's an overbought, oversold marker. In this case, it's an oversold marker for retracement. And when you get one of those, you can actually buy the market back. And that would have been a profitable trade in 2 or 3 minutes. You had some good opportunity to go in there and grab it around 16 and take it up to about 22. Folks, that'd be about $600 in 2 minutes. So I took all 3 trades off at the same time, looking at my open trade equity. I had my positions open, looking at the open trade equity, and the net result from all 3 of these, again, this is in 12 minutes today, was $590. Average time in the market, you can see it down at the bottom. It's right there, 1 minute and 10 seconds. So it was a very quick day today. Can't make this stuff up. And then the third trade was over here in the crude oil, the biggest lagging market. And how do I know it's the biggest lagging market? Because the RQ Tech tells me that's how. Down 6.5% right across the board, the 1, the 3, the 8-hour time frame. And I had a short going. Used the moving average as my trigger. And actually the qualification was back here. And in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, actually took 8 minutes. I let a sell stop stay in there from back here, got hit, and it went down to the bottom band. Took some money off that one, selling it at 65 and taking it off at 59. And now it's come right back up and continues to consolidate. So 3 trades all here on a Friday. And I must say it is a happy, fun Friday. You guys enjoy it. What you're seeing, you want to come try it with us and hop on over to the tradingroom.com. Really easy to do. That is the tradingroom.com, and get yourself a 2-week trial. We're going to be posting up the results from this week inside of the performance box here. We'll have that updated for you. And I do believe with that trade closing out today, I'll just give you guys a quick peek for the week. For the week, today is the 27th. Let's go to the 23rd. That's going to put us at $29.15 for this week. This is trading a $10,000 to $15,000 account, trading within a reasonable money management. So you guys do the math and the performance. Pretty good, right? How about for the month? $8,500 for the month. I do declare that this is one of my best months when we're having chaos. Chaos equals opportunity. If you want to go back to the beginning of the year, There you go. First of the year forward. Just cracked 15,000. This is before commissions. Just gives you an idea, though, the results. And, of course, my favorite graph is the monthly graph. And that's not it. Watch this. That's cumulative profit. There's day. There we go. That's what we want. There's the drawdown. There's the weekly net profit. That's the weekly net profit. And then I like the monthly. So that's what we've been doing. The last two green bars you see there is the beginning of the COVID-19 crisis. So you think about it, that's over 10,000. That's over 100% since the COVID crisis. I don't really like to look at it that way. I just like to look at the consistency. And I do apologize that this month hasn't been consistent to the previous two. My apologies. My reward. And of course, yes, I am just kidding. So there you have it, guys. We'll see you guys back in here on Monday here in the trading room. Sign up for a 2-week trial now.